Hi everyone, I'm here to invite all of you to the second edition of the first of its kind workshop called Elevate, which will happen on the 25th of May. It's a full day program from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. When I first heard the name Elevate, it reminded me of the song Lift Kara De. So basically, Elevate is a workshop that will definitely help you upgrade not just your knowledge, but your skills, your competence, and essentially it will equip you to have a much better opportunity of exploring careers in the pharmaceutical industry. So how is this program different from other perhaps similar programs? Well, for a start, it is open to people from different walks of life. So it's not just doctors who are, for example, an MD in pharmacology. It's for anyone with a life sciences background and who wants to explore a career within the pharmaceutical industry. So there's a lot of diversity here. Then, of course, during this workshop, there would be one-on-one interactions with mentors, experienced faculty from the industry. So that will definitely help all of you. Then, of course, we have panel discussions, roundtable discussions, but more importantly, it's not just the hard skills, but also the soft skill development. So people will also teach you about how you could build your resume, how you could build your social media presence. Then, of course, how do you really fare in an interview? So there also there will be a professional photo shoot. You'll be able to see yourself and then, of course, come to know about your areas of improvement. So rather than me tell you everything about what exactly will happen in that particular workshop, my advice is quickly enroll yourself for this workshop. I think the last date is 15th of May because the seats are filling up rapidly. And why am I talking to you about Elevate? Because I am one of the guest faculty at this program. So I'm also eagerly awaiting your presence, where I'll be sharing with you my journey within the industry over 27 years. I'm an MD in pharmacology with an MSc in pharmaceutical medicine, so I can tell you a lot about what I have done. But more importantly, I will be available to answer any question that you may have that will ultimately help you decide what is it that you really want to do in terms of a career. So should it be within the industry? Should it be maybe in academia? Why not? Do you want to be an entrepreneur and maybe work in healthcare startups? Or maybe you want to go abroad and do research. Whatever it is, you will get all this and more at Elevate. So why wait? Thank you.